It's time to learn some more sounds. First, say the sound. Then listen to see if you got it right. Let's learn the new sounds. D, d, d. B, b, b. T, d, d, d. D, b, b. F, d, d. S, d. B, b, p. K, d, b, b. A, e, a, I, d, s, d, s, s, d, ot, dot, odd, rod, id, rid, dim, at, bat, it, bit, et, bet, ot, bot, add, add, dad, id, did, den, ass, mass, us, fuss, less, less, os, moss, an, ban, id, bid, ed, bed, in, bin, ip, dip, add, sad, id, lid, ed, lead. Here's a test. See if it's easy or hard. Add, mad, id, rid, bud, bud, add, bad, ass, pass, op, bop, os, toss, add, pad, bun, is, miss, odd, pod, os, loss. If this test was easy, move on to lesson 6. If this test was a little hard, repeat lesson 5. If this test was very hard, go back to lesson 4. If you found this useful, please share it with others.